Ayo, boss, and happy holidays from all of us at the Cooking Corner. We got a great video for you today. Chef's going to show us how to make chicken fried steak. Is it chicken? Is it steak? We're going to figure that one out today. This is a great hearty dish, so perfect for hanging in while the snow's falling, watch some classic videos or movies, and we think you're going to really enjoy it, everyone. So let's deck the halls and get cooking. The first thing you're going to do is set that oven to 250 degrees. Next up, go ahead and pick up some fresh steaks. Yep, it is steak. This is cube steak, but Chef said you can use other things like a thinly sliced sirloin tip or things like that, so up to you. Next up, go ahead and get your meat tenderizer out and do both sides. Tenderize both sides. Oh, Chef, you're going to get put on the naughty list. You're beating your meat on camera again, and Santa can see that. Okay, go ahead and season these with salt and pepper, both sides. And Chef's going to just leave these out for a few minutes while he gets his other ingredients ready to go. So, in a shallow bowl, get some flour, all-purpose flour, and add whatever seasonings you like. Chef's going to do smoked paprika, garlic powder, and then just a little bit of cayenne pepper. And of course, all the ingredients we use today will be listed down below, but feel free to use what you'd like. Go ahead and mix those together. Oh, geez, Chef. You need a freaking tripod. I'm getting dizzy. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to get some wet ingredients put together. So, some baking soda and baking powder, along with our salt and pepper mixture, of course. And then Chef's going to go ahead and put a little bit of buttermilk in there. And now the next part is totally up to you. We're going to try this, but Chef's going to throw an egg in there. This is going to thicken that batter up into more of like a thicker solution. If you don't want to use the egg, that's totally up to you. Okay, next up, just get your stations ready. Wet and dry ingredients, of course. In a large skillet, Chef's got some oil heating up to 350 degrees. And then all he says is just go ahead and dredge the steak in the flour. Make sure you get it nice and coated well, and shake, of course. So this is where the name chicken fried steak comes from. We're preparing this like a fried chicken sandwich. A dry mixture, a wet mixture, and then a dry mixture, and then we fry it. So as you can see, we're going to go back to the flour again, and that buttermilk mixture is thick, like batter almost. Again, that's because of that egg. So he's going to flour it one more time, get a second coat. And then once that's all set, do all of them together. Place the chicken fried steaks on the side, and then go ahead and get ready to fry them up. So the oil is nice and hot. Go ahead and lay these in very gently. As you can see, the oil goes about halfway, and they're thin, so you only have to cook them for several minutes. After several minutes, Chef's just going to go ahead and flip them over. Nice crispy sides there, as you can see. And several more minutes and we'll get ready to take them out. There's a great shot of Chef's crotch. Go ahead and place these on a pan and put these in the oven. Chef, I don't know what we're doing with this video, but you better be on the good and nice list. You need a tripod bad. Go ahead and remove all the oil except for about a quarter cup or a little bit more. Once it's removed, place that quarter cup back in with a quarter cup of flour and stir this together. Go ahead and add some milk in there, about 2 to 3 cups. Again, you got to kind of play with it. Add a little bit more flour if it's not really that thick. Add some more milk if it's too thick. And then you can season your gravy if you'd like to. Once the gravy's ready, place the chicken fried steak on a plate and then just place that gravy right on top. Now, Chef says he's only made gravy a few times, and he was worried in this video, but it came out really well. And there it is. The gravy had great flavor, and the chicken fried steak came out really well too. Of course, there's his homemade mashed potatoes, which he yet to video, but he says he will. So there you have it. Chicken fried steak, homemade gravy, mashed potatoes. Great hearty dish. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Subscribe if you're new, and don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.